Did you know that you can make thousands of dollars just by creating sounds? Yeah, I couldn't believe it either until I tried it myself. From designing sounds for fun to running a thriving music production company, this is how I made it happen. Hey guys, it's Soundkiller, also proud owner of Black Lotus Audio. But here's the thing, I didn't start at the top. My journey started just as you guys are right now. Passionate about music production and dreaming of turning this into a full-time job. Like a lot of you guys, I started by making sounds that I liked. I would load up my DAW, jump into Serum, start tweaking sounds until I found a sound that I liked how it sounded. Simple, I'd save the preset, use it for my music, nothing special. It's a fun little hobby as a lot of you guys. It was just something that I loved doing. But everything changed when I got my first commission to create a Serum preset pack. I still remember that check, and that's when everything really changed for me and it really shifted my perspective. And it wasn't about the money, it was that I realized that this might be something real. That's when it hit me. Sound design wasn't a hobby anymore. It could be an actual career. So I doubled down, spent countless hours perfecting my craft, creating presets, and creating even more packs. What happened next blew my mind. Each pack I created started gaining attention. Big names like DJ Diesel, Fostradamus, and Prototypes were using my sounds that I designed and I created in their tracks. Eventually, I became lead sound designer for Black Lotus Audio. And one day, I took the leap and became the owner of the company. Crazy, right? Now, I'm not here to give you guys advice or talk about how to run a business because this isn't a video on how to run a music production business. It's about how you can start your journey as a successful music producer. So let's talk about creating your first preset pack and what makes it successful. And here's the hard truth. Making preset packs and selling packs isn't just about creating the best possible presets or sounds. It's about making sounds that people want to buy. That's why my first pack, the first ever preset pack that I made, was such a big hit. I made a Serum preset pack inspired by Virtual Ride. Because my audience loves Virtual Ride, my YouTube channel has always been about making Virtual Ride inspired presets and sounds. And when I made my Virtual Ride Serum preset pack, it was an instant hit because it's exactly what my audience was looking for. So here's my first big tip if you want to make a living or want to make some cash as a sound designer, is to listen to your audience and create something that they are looking for. Don't create something that you want, create something that the people want. The best part about being a sound designer is that there's endless opportunities. People are always looking for fresh new sounds in the EDM scene, the dubstep scene, the trap scene. Everybody wants fresh new sounds, and there's always jobs in the market for new sounds, new packs, and more. All you need to do is make sounds that the people are looking for that stand out. So if you got a DAW, creativity, and patience, you can do this too. Start small, focus on quality, and you'll be surprised at how far it can take you. It's wild to look back and think how something as simple as sound design could completely transform my life. But it did, and I'm so happy, and I love each step and each part of the journey to get here. So whether you're just a music producer looking for some extra cash, or you want to be in the full-time music production business, it all starts by taking that first step. And if you're curious about sound design, hit that subscribe button because I'm always posting videos, tutorials on how to create sounds. So if you want to learn so that you can make your next pack and earn some cash from selling samples and presets, subscribe so you can learn more on that. And if you've already subscribed, comment down below what you guys want to see next. What's the next tutorials that you guys want to learn how to make? I always love reading the comments, so if you have any opinions or you just want to chat, comment down below. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching this short little video. This was Soundkiller, and I'll see you in the next one.